So you found yourself in a knife fight, eh? So he goes to grab it. We're both in the same situation. Hopefully my training kicks in faster than his. It's very easy if you think about outside or inside. He's jamming it hard. It's hard to go up and down. So I go to the inside. My knife comes to the inside here. If I can fillet up, that's great, but it's not always going to happen. Notice there's no pressure into the knife. So it's touching him, but those are little superficial wounds. The goal here is to pump into him so that it gets cut. He's gonna grab that again for sure. As he grabs it, now I'm gonna circle to the outside. When somebody's holding on, go to the outside and press this into here. So the idea here is I'm putting pressure in. And this is why I love these trainers, because it helps me feel. It also tells my partner like, hey, that sucks. That's gonna do some deep lacerations and cuts. But the whole idea of this is they've grabbed you. Yes, you can go underneath, clear it, get the job done for sure. But let's build the habit, if you let go please, that the second I come forward, he touches and I'm going. He touches and I'm going. There's always energy going forward. He never wants to have it so that it's solid. So I'm here, I'm fighting, especially if you're smaller than your opponent. Your knife might be an equalizer, but he also has one. So my priority is here, that's locked on. This hand now is the one that has to do the job. Please try and cut me as I do all this. So he's cutting, I'm cutting, I got free. The reason why that happened was he was really trying to cut me, but I'm better with two of my hands because I've trained more. When he started stabbing, I locked my arm out straight. I started doing my inside or outside technique and I eliminated the threat. It's not done yet though. A knife fight, you're gonna bleed. If he's cutting me and he's stabbing my arm, see, he's using the same shit against me now. Good job, he paid attention in the demo, right? This is not an easy situation to get in, but typically when people feel threatened, they're holding on to it. So at least now you have your base counters. Stay safe out there.